Most people choosing field service software make the same mistake. They pick based on popularity instead of what actually fits their business. And that leads to wasted money, messy scheduling, and frustrated teams. Here's the truth no one tells you. Workiz and Jobber are both strong tools, but they are built for different types of businesses. Quick promise. In this video you'll understand exactly how Workiz and Jobber compare in 2026, what each one does best, where they fall short, and which one makes more sense for your field service business, so you don't overpay or outgrow your system too fast. Let's start simple. Workiz is designed for service businesses that rely heavily on call handling, dispatching, and fast-moving operations. Think locksmiths, HVAC emergency teams, towing companies, and cleaning services that get constant inbound leads. Jobber, on the other hand, is built for structured scheduling and customer management. It is popular with lawn care, plumbing, painting, and maintenance businesses that work on planned jobs instead of constant urgent calls. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Workiz puts a strong focus on communication. It has built-in call tracking, call recording, and even AI-powered call handling features in some plans. So if Alex runs a 24-hour plumbing company, Workiz helps him capture every call, turn it into a job, and dispatch quickly without missing leads. That speed can directly impact revenue. But here's the problem. Workiz can feel a bit advanced if your business is small or appointment-based. You might not need all that call-heavy automation. Now Jobber takes a different approach. Jobber focuses on clean scheduling, quotes, invoices, and customer follow-ups. If Jake runs a landscaping business with weekly clients, Jobber makes it super easy to schedule recurring jobs, send professional quotes, and get paid faster. It is very beginner-friendly and extremely polished in client communication. But here's the trade-off. Jobber is not as strong in high-volume call handling or fast dispatch environments. If your business depends on urgent inbound calls, you may feel limited. Let's talk pricing briefly. Both tools are subscription-based, and both scale with features. Workiz tends to become more valuable as your call volume increases. Jobber becomes more valuable as your client list and recurring jobs grow. So the cost depends less on price and more on how efficiently the software supports your workflow. Now here's the key decision point. If your business is fast-paced, call-driven, and dispatch-heavy, Workiz usually wins. If your business is scheduled, client-focused, and recurring service-based, Jobber is often the better fit. So which one should you choose? Choose Workiz if speed, calls, and real-time dispatching are your daily pain points. Choose Jobber if organization, scheduling, and client experience matter most. Final takeaway. Both platforms are strong, but neither is universally better. The right choice depends on how your business actually runs day to day, not just the features on a website. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, hit like, subscribe, and comment which software you're currently using. It helps others make a smarter decision too.